Arc Slot Tool. The Arc Slot Polygon Tool is a versatile feature that allows you to create precise arc-shaped slots for various applications, such as adjustable mounting brackets, curved hinge mechanisms, ventilation louvers, and decorative grille patterns. This tool provides the flexibility needed to design intricate and functional components with ease. To access the Arc Slot Polygon Tool, navigate to the Polygon Tool palette located on the right side of your interface. The tool is represented by the last icon in the palette. Let's proceed to create an arc slot. Begin by specifying the start point, end point, and a point along the middle of the arc. After defining these points, set the width of the arc to complete the initial setup. Once the basic arc slot is created, you can refine its shape and dimensions using the Edit tool. To adjust the points that define the arc, select the arrow tool and drag each point to new positions. This allows you to fine-tune the curvature and alignment of the slot. For further customization, you can also modify the width of the arc directly via the data entry window. Additionally, you can adjust the arc angle to achieve the desired curvature. Let's change the arc angle to 140 degrees for this example. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Arc Slot Polygon tool. By mastering this feature, you can enhance your designs with precision and creativity. Stay tuned for more tutorials that explore advanced techniques and additional tools to improve your projects. Happy designing!